Unboxing. This video covers the unboxing and installation of the Easy Install Walkthrough Gate. The Easy Install Walkthrough Gate features a tool-free, pressure-mounted design for quick and secure installation without the need for drilling. It fits openings from 29 to 38 inches and includes a convenient one-hand release handle. The red to green indicator allows you to see when the gate is securely locked. We will be using this gate for our pet dogs. Inside the box, assembly. First, lay out all the parts. Measure the opening. In our case, the opening is around 38 inches, so we will use the two extensions. Extract the extension caps from the gate using the bolt side of the bumpers. Assemble the extensions. Insert the extension caps into the assembled extensions. Slide the assembled extensions into the gate. Place the pressure bumpers in the four corners of the gate. Fit the gate into the wall opening and install the wall cups on each bumper. Use a pencil to mark around the wall cups. Remove the gate after marking the wall cups with the pencil. Remove the paper from the adhesives and paste them on the markings or directly onto the wall cups. Position the gate to attach the wall cups to the adhesive. Tighten the pressure bumpers until the gate is firmly in place. Remove the zip tie and the Do Not Remove sign. Check the indicator. Tighten the pressure bumpers if it shows red when the gate is closed. How to open and close the gate. Swing stops.
And that's it, presenting our dog's gate.